How to find clients on Upwork smart trick. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find clients on Upwork with some smart tricks and how you can actually get a job on Upwork. So let's get started. Now Upwork is an amazing platform where you actually find job as a freelancer, and as a client you hire different people to do different jobs for you. Find people for your YouTube automation, or maybe if you are running a small business, you will be able to find freelancers. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually find clients. You can get a job on Upwork if you are using Upwork as a freelancer. Now, what happens is that as a freelancer, you sign up for Upwork and you have these amazing jobs according to your niche. You find these jobs and then you have to send a proposal to the client in order to, apply for the job. Now, this is the part where most of the people are, eliminated from the process, because there are hundreds of proposals sent by different freelancers, and they have different experience and they have reviews and stars. And we're gonna find out that how you can actually stand out in those proposals among all of these amazing proposals, how to make yours stand out. So for that, I have few tricks for you, and I hope that if you will follow the tricks, you will be able to get a job. So let's start with first trick, which is sending the proposal. You have to keep in mind that do not make it about you, make it about the client. Now, I will be actually showing you different examples. Let's just open up any example for any job. For example, let's just find a freelancer. So yeah guys, you can see right here that I have these examples for you. I searched for freelancers that are working on Upwork and they are actually top rated. You can see right here. So I will show you their description or their bio, in which you will actually have an idea that how the professional freelancers actually write. For whenever you apply for the job, the client actually opens up your profile, and this is where they most of the time they don't want to hire you anymore when they read your bio and they're not interested. So what you have to do is, for example, you can see right here that this one has written she is a freelancer and she is working as a video editor in science, and she's actually a writer. So you can see right here that she is a writer, and she has written that, do you need a writer with sharp research? So you will see the word you in the first line, and that's what I am looking for. For example, she maybe applied for a job and they were looking for a writer, a research writer. The answer for this question is going to be yes, if I am looking for a research writer. And once I have said yes to her, I will be automatically realize that this is the person I am looking for. Now right after that, you can see that she has actually written a very long bio, which is she has actually went with the storyline, a trick in which you actually tell about yourself and stuff like that. But again, if nobody has the time to read this long description, of course she is now a top rated. You can get an idea that the first lines are to attract you, and then if you are attracted to her, if you're gonna hire her, then you will be able to read more. And this is about the bio, right? And if I actually had shown you the proposal for different jobs, then you would have an idea that different people, for example, you can see right here that these ones, look at her. If I open it up, you will see that she has written the first line is, I am a graphic designer with over 15 years of experience. This is what we do whenever we're sending proposals. What we do is we write the first line is, okay, I have experience of 2 years or 5 years. Okay, nobody, cares about your experience if you're not used to them. So whenever you're sending a proposal to your client on Upwork, make sure that your proposal says a lot about them, offers them a freelancer that they are looking for. Use the word you in your proposal. For example, you can just simply go with, I will provide you with this work, or I read that you're looking for an editor, I can provide you with the graphic designing that you're looking for, or whatever your niche is. Just make sure that your proposal has the word you and it revolves around the client but you. So just make sure that you have these different phrases and words that make the client sure that this is the freelancer they're looking for. And of course, once they will have an idea that you are the person good for their job, they will definitely hire you. So guys, the next thing that you need to do is that make sure your profile stands out. Of course, is the thing that but as a beginner, you might not have that many reviews or that many experience, or of course, you're not top rated right away. So what's going to happen is, in the start, what's going to make you stand out is that your proposal should be unique. That's what we talked about. The second thing should be your profile. Your profile picture should be professional, and your profile should be very professional looking, so whenever a person is hiring you, they have an idea that they're hiring a professional. And of course, everybody wants to hire a professional when it comes to hiring anybody for their job. So when they will look at your profile, and they will have an idea that, okay, this person looks very responsible and professional, they're gonna hire you automatically. They're gonna be attracted towards you, and that's what we want. And yes, so make sure that you have a very professional photograph. It's okay, just give somebody few bucks and maybe have a professional photo shoot. Or maybe if you are a good editor, you can just edit your picture out and you'll be good to go, trust me. So yeah, make sure that your picture is good and your profile stands out. Once your profile is good, your picture is good, your proposal stands out, there is a lot more chances that you will be getting the job that you applied for. And once you have applied for the job, then you're gonna do the job and earn a good amount of money from it. And just sitting at home, that's what our purpose is, to earn money. So another thing that I want you to know is, it's just a simple trick that I heard from most of the very, top rated freelancers. What you have to do is, while you look for a job, for example, let's go with this one. If I click on the job right here, you will be able to see that we get the client information right here, but we do not get the client's name. So if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the reviews that have been given to the client, right? So what happens is, read these reviews, because sometimes in these reviews you will find the client's name, and that's actually pretty amazing. While writing your proposal, you can call the client by their name, and we know when somebody calls you by your name, you are automatically attracted to them, and the client will actually be a little surprised that how do you know their name, right? And after that, you can just if for example, this client, if I can just check out if any of the reviews have their name. Okay, let's just say that the client's name was Alex, right? And I just found out from these reviews, somebody wrote maybe that it was good experience working with Alex. And I'll be like, okay, so the client's name is Alex. So what I'm gonna do is, I can just simply, while writing a proposal, while submitting a proposal, I will just simply write, hey Alex, I just read your job and I came to know that you're looking for, blog writer, and you can just add your links, and you can say that I can provide you with the blogs that you're looking for, and I have worked on this similar, and whatever you write, you can just simply write that. But your first impression, where you use the client's name, will be very effective, and you will be able to attract them and get the job that you have applied for. So yeah guys, these are simple tricks that you can actually use in order to get jobs on Upwork, and this is how we find clients on Upwork and then get jobs and earn a good amount of money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.